This is how we add a texture or an overlay to an image. First we go to Google Home and we go up here to Images, excuse me, and we type in, just for example, warm textures. And let's see what that gives us. There's a bunch that come up here. Now you're going to want to pick one that has a higher resolution, such as this one here, the 16 by 1200. Click on it once to open it fully. And let's see what we got here. I'll choose that one. And then save the image as. Save it to the desktop. Now the image I chose to put a texture over is this great blue heron. Now, so what I'm going to do is bring in the texture, go to File, Open. Computer's being a little bit slow today. And I'm going to grab this texture that I downloaded earlier. I'm going to open it up. What I'm going to do now is drag this down a bit here. Then quite simply click on the texture and drag it over. Then we can get rid of that. Now what we do is go up to Edit, Free Transform, and get these bounding boxes right. So I'm going to want to keep the shine, so to speak, centered on the bird by adjusting the bounding boxes. Now quite simply hit this button and apply it, or you can hit enter. It will work the same way. Now what you do is, with this layer chosen, change the screen mode to it. I'm going to try overlay and see how that works. I'm not really a fan of overlay. Here we can see the difference here, but it's actually not that bad. But for simplicity's sake, that's the way we're going to do this. And if you want to, you can bring down the opacity to lighten it, make it more effective, however you choose. Overlay, let's try soft light to see what that does. And you can see the difference by turning on and turning off the overlay. It's actually quite simple. And then after, all you have to do, if you want to back off some of the effect, create a new mask right here, square with the black circle in it. Choose this layer right here. This is the mask. Go over, use a paintbrush. Black is to paint, is to take off the mask, and by using your left or bracket keys, you can make the paintbrush a little bit bigger. Now I'm going to take off some of this effect on the bird and bring out some more of the blues. Right here, just simply. And if you want to see where your mask is going, just next to the enter button is a backslash key. Just hit that and you'll see where you've taken off some of this effect here. It's actually quite simple. And there's all kinds of adjustments you can do after that. If you want to, you can go to the background once again, put on another mask, another adjustment mask, and I don't know, this time I'll try curves. I'll throw curves in there, darken it up a bit, just for the heck of it, just for demonstration purposes of it. And we'll just go with that. So it's actually quite simple. Now all you have to do is go to the layer, flatten the image, which is just done, and save the file. Quite simple. Thanks, gang.